name is Matt, and welcome to another episode of NC Star Tech TV. Today we're going to be going over another new tool that we just came out with. This is our Bolt Catch pin tool. So let's take a quick look and I'll show you how you use this. So that was a quick overview of how to use our Bolt Catch pin installation tool. So it just makes that a whole lot simpler. You don't need to tape the side of your receiver and do all those other things you used to have to do to get installed. It just makes it very easy. This just goes in and you install the pin. If you have any questions regarding this tool or any of our other products, give us a call here at NC Star Tech Support. Thank you.